Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Tom。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Once again, this whole month we're talking about illness and vocabulary that are associated with it. And you know what? It's summertime, 对不对？是夏天的时候。其实除了这个夏天感冒很难过之外呢，夏天很容易中暑。哎，你怎么知道？你有这个毛病吗？
有成绩呢。
哦，这样子的毛病，客家话怎么说？
爱用个针头，
针头
就是这样的毛病。
哦，这样的毛病，听到枕头要睡觉的枕头，不是针头。That means an illness. Okay, we're talking about hyperthermia, which is very common during summertime. Okay, 所以如果我要说夏天容易中暑，
热天较会拔沙。
哦，热天就是夏天 summertime， 较會拔沙。
就是中暑
哦，拔沙是中暑。OK， 好 ，That means it's easy to have hyperthermia during summertime or during a hot summer's day。我发觉在台湾这边好多人会贫血，
会啊，
营养不良还是什么？
女孩子蛮容易贫血。
其实，在国外比较没有那么常听到说朋友之中会贫血。But let's go ahead and teach this. It's anemia. A lot of people have anemia here in Taiwan. 我有贫血的毛病。
我有贫血嘅枕頭。
哦，枕頭要枕頭了哈。
毛病出來了。
我有貧血嘅枕頭。Okay, 貧血 that's anemia. All right. Or maybe a lot of people have high blood pressure. 像我老爸就有高血压，要小心哦。高血压怎么说？
高血壓。
高血壓。Okay, that's high blood pressure. And some people might have diabetes. In fact, my mom had diabetes. 糖尿病。
糖尿病。
糖尿病就是糖尿病。
对啊，
好像捅人家的尿还是什么？
不是啦。
我们要正经一点，这些毛病是很严重的，
会出现的啊。那海陆腔的糖尿病，通尿病。
通尿病 ，that's another dialect for diabetes. So let's review these terms right here. It's easy to suffer from hyperthermia during summer. 夏天容易中暑。
熱天較會拔沙。
熱天較會拔沙 against hyperthermia. Or I have anemia. 我有貧血的毛病。
我有貧血嘅枕頭。
我有貧血嘅枕頭。Or maybe you have high blood pressure. 高血壓。
高血壓。
高血壓。Or maybe diabetes. 糖尿病。
糖尿病。
糖尿病。There you have it. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affair.